Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving into Old Harbor. Old Harbor is a major town in Jamaica. It's between Spanish Town and Maypen, and it's on the main road. We are on Old Harbor Road driving into the town of Old Harbor. Now, it was recently said somewhere that Old Harbor is the fastest growing town in Jamaica. So you'll see why, because as you can see, the town is expanding. We're on the outskirts of the town center, and you can see how developed it is. Also, it's on the main road when driving on the south coast of Jamaica. So you have to drive through Old Harbor if you're taking this main road. There's an alternate route via the highway, but that highway is a toll road and you have to pay to use it. And even if you're on the highway, you can exit into Old Harbor. There's that exit to get into an Old Harbor. Now, something peculiar or special about the Old Harbor exit is when you're on the highway and you go through, the toll plaza is on the main road, so you can leave the highway, go into Old Harbor and get back on the highway without paying any additional toll. There is actually a gas station right on the outskirts of Old Harbor. You can exit the highway, go into the gas station and get back on the highway without paying any additional toll. When you're on the highway and you go through the Vineyards Toll Plaza, the next toll plaza is the Maypen Toll Plaza. So you can easily access Old Harbor without any additional toll. Now, if you were going into Spanish Town from the highway, you would have to go through a toll plaza. So that's one of the reasons why Old Harbor is growing so fast. It's because how easy you can get to the town now because of the highway. And if you're not using the highway, you have to drive through Old Harbor when going on the main road, as we are now. So we're driving into Old Harbor from the Spanish Town end. And the capital of St. Catherine is Spanish Town. The capital of Clarendon is Maypen. So if you're trying to get between those 2 points, you're going to have to pass through Old Harbor. As you can see, very, very developed area. This is a sign you don't see every day. There you see, it says one way, but it says no trucks. And it has a limit of 9 tons. Of course, a truck just turned and you saw what happened, but that's not a sign you see every day. On the left is a Portmore Community College, and that college started in Portmore, and this is just another campus. Now the town is so busy that you have this kind of traffic to get in, but once you go through the town center, it moves very quickly. So we're now going into the town center. On the left is the transport center, on the right is the Juicy Patties location. And of course, no town is complete without a KFC location. So there's KFC straight ahead on the right. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.